Oh, wait, yeah, there's part pizza. What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Sheila.
And the MH crew.
From the JJMH crew. You guys, we got some good old homemade. It's a blend of It's a blend of beef and pork. Y'all saw them get in the video. And I got a recipe that how I made these patties. We got my good old rice, and this mushroom gravy with onions smothered on here, and green beans. We also got some sweet peas to the table, but this is what we eating. Hold your plate, I say. Cheese. Okay. Ooh. Hold on, like somebody's trying to call the phone. Oh, Tisha, hold on, y'all. All right, you guys. So, who's gonna bless the food?
I will.
Now, y'all decided before the video started who was gonna bless the food. They be wanting to bless the food all the time, y'all. That's a good thing. All right, who gonna bless it?
Me.
All right, go ahead, baby.
God is grace, God is good. Let us thank you for our food. That our hands we are good. Thank you for the
Amen. Yeah, I'm so happy. I'm at my 8-week mark with my sister locks. Yeah, so they, Tisha and Lanisha, they did it, and it took them 6 hours. 3 hours yesterday, 3 hours a day. They haven't styled it yet, but they got it pulled up in a little bun. I was like, so cute. They also dyed my hair yesterday, right before they did stuff, like, cause they had to wash it at the same time. I couldn't wash it for 8 weeks, but I used dry shampoo. Also used my Loxanity rose water moisturizing spritz that I use. You guys, y'all want to know my journey? I'm having an awesome time. I'm gonna show y'all pictures of my hair with it not being in the bun. Yeah, we're gonna eat this food, y'all. Cause I'm hungry and I want some. There you go.
Oh, this is hard to peel.
And this is the meat, y'all. Give y'all some. Yes.
Oh, I thought you said it was hard to open.
You just said it was hard to open, but then
I'm hungry, y'all.
you want to say,
Okay, hard here.
This is a late meal because I had to wait for them to finish my hair. It's on point, I must say.
Nothing. You use it.
So, I hope everybody having a beautiful, blessed day.
as always.
Delicious, y'all. Y'all want some? Y'all can have some. It's mushroom, y'all.
Y'all want some? Nope. Y'all can have some of this because this is good too good.
The green beans bunch. That's why I told my kids this was the first thing I was going to eat.
Delicious. I never saw them sell the pork and the beef blended together. I got it from the commissary. I blended mine together.
Ain't that like a pig and a cow mixed together?
Yep.
Because a cow is beef and pork is pig.
Yep. Mm-hmm. My daughter just called. They're at Rodeo, which is a Mexican restaurant. What? No, we wanted something to eat. I'm like, no, we finna sit down and eat this good old food right here. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. But y'all, I'm loving my hair. Mm-hmm. So they're gonna style it tomorrow. That'd be like 15 minutes for them to style it.
I didn't know this hot sauce was this hot.
Was it hot?
The hot sauce is not that hot.
Now, that Chinese hot sauce, that stuff is hot. My king, you probably couldn't handle that.
Which one? This one?
Mm-mm. The hot sauce over there that's in the clear pack. Go get them him.
Sam.
It came from the it came from the Chinese restaurant.
This one?
Yep.
Oh, no.
I want to see if you're gonna handle that.
Okay, y'all. Okay, let me show y'all how red it is. But we tried the Tabasco, and that wasn't really that spicy. But I'm gonna try it, and I can handle it.
Well, remember with the 2 times spicy, it wasn't spicy too.
Yes, it was.
I'm gonna test it out. I'm gonna test it out.
To my king, it wasn't spicy.
I'm gonna test this out before I put it all over my food.
There you go.
I love it. It's good. Now, it's not hotter than 2 times spicy, but it's got a kick to it.
This is not spicy.
No?
Yeah, I can taste the kick.
If you say so.
Look how red it is, my king.
Ooh, it's not spicy.
Oh, it is.
It's kind of like a sweet kick, but it's like kick.
There ain't no sweet kid. Oh, Frank in the bedroom eating his food. Now he's hooked on in the heat of the night. He's watching all that episodes now. I think he said he don't see them. I don't know, 3, 5, 8, I don't know. I told him he's not gonna get me hooked on it.
How many sour ones?
You know.
Y'all say how it bones. Oh, I'm not spicy.
Don't be saying nothing when your mouth be spicy now.
That's not spicy.
So you got 2 different types of hot sauces.
Yes, this not spicy.
Oh. Is it really?
No.
Oh, I got my water, of course, but I also have my green tea, diet green tea.
Y'all see my water on speed dial. Well, actually, it's not really on speed dial because water just makes it worse.
So how's the heat, my king? Be honest.
It's not spicy.
Big bite. Big bite. Ooh, y'all took it
Right
too.
now, it's not really spicy. Water just dripped on my head. Probably from the seed thing.
The condensation.
Yeah.
It's cold in here, y'all. We got an
60.
64.
I think 67.
I think she should change it to 67. We like it cold in here.
It was cold.
It's cold now.
Make sure y'all subscribe.
She
That's
should walk
not
out here
that
with her
spicy,
coat
though.
on.
It's not really that spicy. I can taste the sweet and then it gets spicy.
No. You probably need to put it on some fried chicken because right now you got it on gravy on that meat. And that's probably cutting some of the heat. You know what I mean?
And I put down the cheese.
You know what I mean?
I should be the first one to finish.
Yeah.
Auntie, do it.
What?
Yeah, what?
Your chickens are tripping. Pardon me.
Yeah, what? Yeah, what?
You look at your plate, but you ain't look at nobody else's plate.
Well, my king, you should be less talking and more eating.
Huh?
Girl, why you worrying about me? I mean,
That's what my king told her, y'all. Huh?
honey, why you worrying about me eating? Like, at least I ain't say I was gonna win, but you actually lost.
Well, I was
Yeah.
having a second place.
Who said that? You ain't even done yet.
Oh, good.
Okay.
The recipe is either gonna drop this morning or we're gonna drop on my cooking channel. I'm not quite sure where.
Honey, sometimes you say that you're gonna win, you have this little bit left. You only have like a little bit left. And then I still beat you sometimes. And you only have like one something
I appreciate all our new subscribers. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Don't believe.
Thank you for coming. We do appreciate y'all. And if you are new to our channel, comment below. Let me know you're here. Thank you for all the returning subscribers. YouTube has this thing that lets you know in the analytics how many viewers you've had in the last 90 days. Ooh, excuse me. It shows I have like 55,000 viewers.
That's a lot.
55,000 viewers, but out of the 55,000 viewers, only four are returning. Only 4% out of 54,000 viewers, only 4% are subscribed. I think that's how it works. That's a big gap.
If y'all not subscribed,
And to subscribe is free, y'all.
it don't cost no money.
No money.
Y'all tripping if y'all don't just subscribe because y'all missing out.
Missing out.
Now I'm very consistent. I post videos every day, so you're not gonna miss a video. I know I have the faithful ones that does not miss a video, and I can tell in the comment section that they don't miss them. But to have 55,000 viewers and to only have 4% of them subscribed,
Second place, like I said.
that's not good.
You still got rice on your
So if you guys are out there watching and you haven't subscribed, you haven't clicked that notification bell to receive our videos, and subscribe today. You know, what are you waiting for? It's free. We'd love to have you. And also, if you haven't come on over to our Shella and Frank Talk Life and Marriage, go check it out. We're gonna be starting doing some skits, and I want y'all to check out the skits. And we're gonna be doing some skits with the kids, and we're gonna also do some other skits. Check us out on TikTok. We'll be posting some of the shorts of those skits over there. But yeah, just come on, and if you want to see more of my sister-lock journey, I'm so excited. I'm gonna drop a couple of pictures to let y'all see. I may do a separate video because it's a lot of pictures. They took a lot of pictures, y'all. But they also did a couple of videos, so I want y'all to see it. See the difference from this to the first one I did. And if you guys follow me and rock with me, then you guys know. But I'm gonna throw that in there too. So don't forget, go check out the JJMH crew. Right now, I think they have like 73 subscribers, and I know they can have a whole lot more. So y'all go show them some love over there.
73.
Yeah, yeah.
I know. I looked at it.
Hold up.
Yeah,
Can
73.
y'all at least get us to 100 subscribers?
Yes, that would be so nice.
Or at least 1,000.
That would be even nicer. 500 to get you a community tab.
Or 1,000,000.
Y'all heard that?
6 million.
Ooh.
100 million.
Yes, y'all hear that?
99 million.
1 billion.
So, if you're out there, you heard that, hear it. PROMOSTK.
Eat good in the neighborhood.
PROMOSTK.
Eat good in the neighborhood.
Shella Creations Way.
Eat good in the neighborhood.
Check out my recipe.
Eat good in the neighborhood.
PROMOSTK. Check out Sheila and Frank, Talk Life and Marriage.
And
neighbor.
And check out the JJMH crew, My King and Harmony. And check out the skits that we got going on. I want to see y'all in the comment section on those skits. They're going to be positive issues that is going on in this world today. So see y'all at the next video. Bye. And don't forget about my hair, y'all, because I'm loving my hair. Look at
Look
y'all.
at the edges slayed. Well, it's not.
It's not slit. It's not my edges. It's my hair. But my niece said they look like your edges. Anyway.
Slay.
Bye, y'all.
Slay.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl, Shala and Frank. Come on over and check out our channel, PromoSTK Reality TV, Husband and Wife, where we eat good in the neighborhood. We're a mukbang eating show, cooking and recipes, especially soul food, pranks on Frank. Oh, y'all go check it out. Challenges, vlogs, comedy skits, short videos, and TikTok. So come on and become our oh yeah baby today. Subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram, PromoSTK, or you can also go to any of our social sites and find us under PromoSTK. Oh yeah baby. We can't wait to see you. We can't wait to meet you. So come on over